Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Today we got a requirement for Oracle Fusion Cloud Finance consultant from 0 to 2.5 years of experience consultants. And this requirement is it's a walk-in interview. It's face-to-face interview on 7th October 2023. That's between 9 to 2 p.m. That's the timings, and the position is for Oracle Finance Consultant trainee, male candidates preferred. So that's the condition actually they have specified. And qualification must be MCOM or MBA with finance and operations. So that's the qualification they are expecting, MCOM or MBA with finance and corporations. Operations. And experience 0 to 2.5 years of experience. Then it's going to be here. Then it's going to be here, Info Park Campus, Thrissur. It's Kerala actually. The requirement, Thrissur, it comes in Kerala. You can search in Google and find out the Info Park Campus exact location, or you can visit this ad also, or you can also go to this website. And this is the email ID where you are supposed to send your profiles, and this is the contact number for any inquiries. You can communicate with them. Okay. So here, Oracle Finance Consultant Trainee. It's basically the fresher requirement. Trainee means you will be working under the senior consultants. You will be reporting to them, and but their expectation is from the course point of view. Make sure that you are clear everything. It doesn't mean that you are a fresher means you just have the idea and they give some training. I don't think so. Nowadays, the companies are doing like that. Okay. So because they mentioned clearly Oracle Finance Consultant Trainee, it means Oracle Finance course you should have completed and you should have practiced the core syllabus. Maybe if you are not clear in depth of different scenarios, it's not an issue. For example, if you say, I would like to know what are the accounting entries generated when we perform some credit memo or debit memo transactions, then if you are not able to answer, it's okay. But you should have idea what is credit memo, what is debit memo, and how it will be applied on that standard invoice. So this is basically expected, right? So that's how you are supposed to prepare for Oracle Finance Consultant. Basic modules, general ledger, account payables, account receivables, these three are expected. So obviously they will be expecting these three modules, and you should be clear with general ledger, like ledger setup, enterprise structure. This the basic hierarchy they'll expect. It means like after legal entity creation, what you will do, after BU creation, what you will do, after configuration of the ledger, what are the mandatory setups you are supposed to perform. So these questions definitely they will be expecting. Okay. So that's the reason better go through the functionality of this application enterprise structure. Okay. And the ledger setup, and in GL module, you should have a basic idea of what is cross validation rule, what is security rules, and what is revaluation, journal, reverse journal, automatic, how to open the periods and closing the periods, and account payables, account receivables module, business flows, BU level, reference data set. These all things you can go for preparation. Okay. So if you are good all those things, you can go for walk-in, because walk-in means generally they'll expect a very good communication, the way you are speaking confident, that they'll look into that. When I say confidently you have to speak, you should not go to the front and come back to that type of scenarios. Like, for example, if they ask you, can we assign reference data set to the business unit or assign to the legal entity? Yes, we can assign to legal entity. No, we have to assign to the business unit. So this type of confusion should not be there. When they ask the question, take time, no problem. So reference data set, we will be assigning to the business unit, and then we'll assign this business unit to the legal entity. And this legal entity is associated with the legislative data group, and all these organizations comes under the enterprise. This type of explanation they will be expecting. And also, when you are giving this answer in the interviews, it takes some time. Okay, so better give the, if they ask you, can I assign the RDS to BU or RDS to legal entity? Better explain the flow. Yes, we will assign RDS to BU, then BU to legal entity to LDZ, and LDZ to enterprise. That's how we will do that. So this answer looks like, perfection of your structure, as well as you are flexible with the product. Okay. So that's how you can go for prepare. Let's go for send your profile to them. If you are good to go, you can go to the campus Thrissur. I think it's there in Kothur. Let me just check in Google where it is located. In Kerala. It's there in Kerala. Thrissur. Yeah, it's there in Kerala. So you can try for that. Thank you.